friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make ghee from 1 cup of fresh cream. Let's check out the step-by-step procedure of how the fresh cream is processed to butter and buttermilk and the butter then processed to ghee. So let's get started. Today I've taken 1 cup of fresh cream. This is the malai that gets collected in the top when the milk is boiled. I've been collecting for about a month. Store it in the fridge every day after you collect. Transfer the fresh cream to a mixing bowl. Blend it using a hand blender in speed 1. In about a minute, the fresh cream starts to form butter. Continue to blend. After about another minute, the buttermilk starts to separate. Continue until the buttermilk is fully separated. Now you can see the butter and the buttermilk has nicely separated. To another mixing bowl, place a muslin cloth and transfer the butter and buttermilk to it. The buttermilk will flow down and the butter will remain on the cloth. Squeeze it a little to make your process fast. Now all your buttermilk has flowed down. You can enjoy this buttermilk with some salt and chaat masala. Transfer the butter to a cling wrap and wrap it like this. Refrigerate for 1 hour until it forms shape. It's been an hour now, our butter is out of the fridge. This is the purest form of butter. Let me now cut and show you. See how smooth the knife is running through? Now let's start to make the ghee. Heat a pan and transfer the butter to it. Keep the flame in low until the butter melts. Now the butter has nicely melted, so keep the flame in high for 3 minutes until the ghee separates. Now the ghee has nicely separated, so again keep the flame in low and continue to mix for another 2 more minutes. Now the ghee is nicely processed, so off the flame. Filter the ghee and our purest form of ghee is now ready. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can enjoy it with your family and friends. Very easy and definitely you will get the best buttermilk, butter and ghee. So give this a try at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.